Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Some 2-3 people asked me, you're bringing Kalima Oracle. Why are you not bringing anything related to channeled messages for Baba? I have not till now got the guidance or a yes for that. So as of now, I am not bringing anything like that. But yes, I am bringing for Kali Oracle because I have done a lot of deep work and research in Kali Mata when it came to Dashmaha Vidyas, and when I had launched my Kali course also. In Baba's place, I feel, if you just speak to him, he will channel the messages and he will tell you directly whatever he wants to say. So you don't need a mode or a medium to get messages from him, or you don't need to learn how to get messages from him. So that's the reason I am not bringing anything like channeled messages from Baba. Again, I will start off with the color. Today the color will be red. I feel the color has to be red today. And I must say, last time I had told you all, I keep fighting with him. I keep, telling him why he is doing this, why he is doing that. A lot of changes I see and a lot of good things I see he is bringing in my life, and I feel he is doing whatever is needed, but it is for the good. Today I feel you should just write Om Sai Ram 108 times and put it in Baba's feet. I don't know, I felt that, so I'm giving you that guidance. Okay, this is the card. The world is your home. Be happy wherever you are. Sometimes we seek outer happiness. We don't see the inner happiness in us. So that is why Baba is saying, be happy with whatever you are. I agree, some of you might have sorrows inside you. I agree, some of you might feel that, it is very easy to say be happy. But to be in one's shoes, then they will know how it is, and then they will know what it is to be sad. It is very easy to sit here and advise to you all to be happy, but you are the facer of your situations. But I feel, because he's saying, maybe he's saying for a cause, maybe he's saying this because he knows you're suffering, he knows you're sad, and he wants you to come out of it. Maybe this is the reason you are repaying your karmic debts. So once the karmic debts are, I'm not seeing this as a advice that Baba is saying not to accumulate new ones. I feel Baba is saying these are karmic debts. Once these debts are over, you're going to lead a happy life, and you're going to lead a beautiful and a peaceful life. So maybe that is why it is. As usual, today is Thursday. Do feed some stray dogs. Baba will be very happy when you do that. Also, if possible, get some fruits for some poor person and give it to them. I don't know why I felt I should say that to you today, but I felt like saying, so I said. So have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day. Om Sai Ram.